Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is quantum physics and consciousness. Quantum physics reveals to the new worlds of experience. It has declared that the beneath the manifested worlds and creation there is unmanifested level, the true reality. And by understanding and contacting this unmanifested level, you will have the ability to command the physical world. What is that? Unmanifested level, unmanifested reality. This is the field of transcendental consciousness. All the natural forces reside here. By some scientific technique, by the technology of consciousness, you can get access to it. You can connect to it. And by doing so, you can create any reality to what extent you like. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, you just get in touch with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Namaste.